Needs assessment also informs competency modeling, and competency modeling informs needs assessment. Let's learn more about these models in this video. Task analysis identifies the task and the KSAOs of a job. Competency modeling is similar, but more strategic. Competency models identify the sets or collections of KSAOs associated with a job family, a department, an occupation, and even the entire organization. These models identify the desired level of proficiency for each competency and what it looks like, the KSAOs, behaviors, and other qualities that signal proficiency has been reached. Here is SHRM's trademarked competency model for HR professionals. Based on their extensive research and professional expertise, the leaders at SHRM published this model several years ago to guide the development of its members. To show you an example of a competency model, let's walk through the different components of this one. This model includes 9 competencies, each one in a blue box. 8 of them are behavioral competencies, and 1 of them is a technical competency. There are 3 categories of behavioral competencies. Interpersonal competencies include communication, relationship management, and global and cultural effectiveness. Business competencies include business acumen, consultation, and critical evaluation. Leadership competencies include, obviously, leadership and navigation, as well as ethical practice. Each competency is made up of multiple skills, multiple abilities, multiple qualities. There are also 3 categories or domains of the 1 technical competency included in this model, HR expertise. These 3 categories are people, organization, and workplace. The model also identifies the HR functional activities that are related to each of the 3 knowledge domains. For example, to develop HR expertise about people, we should master talent acquisition and strategic planning. To develop expertise about the organization, we should become proficient in labor relations and workforce technology management. Add a strategic mindset and effective individual performance, and this model predicts success. Keep in mind that SHRM developed this model for all of its members, regardless of their level of experience or education. All HR professionals will rely on these 9 competencies, according to SHRM. Competency models are becoming more popular because they provide a number of benefits. They inform other HR activities like recruitment, selection, and performance management. They clarify what it means to perform well and establish criteria for training evaluation and performance measurement. They identify the KSAOs that are required for specific jobs and for employees across the organization, which then informs performance appraisal and the feedback system. Plus, they help create a roadmap for succession planning, laying out exactly what competencies employees need today and tomorrow to succeed in their jobs and within the organization. So how do we identify competencies and create a model for an organization? The process is similar to task analysis and job analysis, but it's focused on broader, big picture competencies. To start, we make sure we have access to the business strategy and that all decisions made about the competency model align with the strategy. Then we identify the jobs or job families that will be targeted through the process. Through interviews and focus groups with subject matter experts, we collect information about potential competencies, about the tasks, the KSAOs, training needs. We collect a lot of information in order to be able to identify themes and similarities across jobs, across groups. Finally, the initial draft needs to be validated through additional cycles of working with subject matter experts and through statistical analyses. If a model doesn't predict performance in the future, then it probably needs to be updated. That is exactly what the model should be doing. Only then can it be published and shared with the company's stakeholders.